As science progresses, it uncovers layers of reality that were once completely hidden from human understanding. Every decade, new discoveries reshape what we thought we knew. Things that once seemed impossible become accepted facts, and with every discovery, the universe begins to look less chaotic and more precise, more structured, more intentional. Take the concept of pairs. Today, science tells us that everything exists in pairs, positive and negative charges, male and female, day and night. Even at the atomic level, particles have opposites. This balance is what allows the universe to function. Without it, everything would collapse. But the Quran says, "And of all things, we created pairs, that you may reflect." Notice the ending of the verse, "that you may reflect." It is not just giving information. It is asking you to think, to observe, to connect the dots. Now consider something even more complex: the development of the human embryo. Modern embryology describes stages of development in incredible detail, from a drop to a clinging form to a structured body. Scientists today use advanced imaging to study these stages, but the Quran described this process in a simple yet powerful way. "We created man from a drop, then a clinging clot, then a lump." These stages are not random descriptions. They follow a sequence, a process. And what makes this even more powerful is the time in which it was revealed. There were no microscopes, no medical technology, no ability to observe internal development. Yet the stages were mentioned. Now shift your attention to the oceans. Standing on the shore, the ocean looks like one continuous body of water. But beneath the surface, there are differences. Scientists discovered that when two different seas meet, they do not immediately mix. There is a barrier between them. Different temperatures, different salinity levels, different densities. And these differences create an invisible boundary. And the Quran says, "He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier. They do not transgress." An invisible barrier, described in a time when humans could not even explore the depths of the ocean. So now the question becomes even stronger. How could these details exist in a book revealed 1400 years ago? Was it guesswork? Was it coincidence? Or was it knowledge from a source beyond human capability? Because the Quran itself answers this question. It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds. But even after all of this, the signs are not finished. In fact, some of the most powerful ones are still ahead.